Mr. Ardent Miller Basayomoy has said that if there should be anyone who can prove that he has committed any acts against the people of the state, he shall no longer appear in public claiming that he loves his own people wholeheartedly. He made his statement while speaking to the members of the press at the Shillong Press Club today, the 16th February 2021, to refute the claims of the HYC Soyong Circle. The circle has alleged that when Mr. Ardent Basayomoy had been the CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, he had granted permission to non-tribals to institute new surnames identifying them as Khasis. He remarked that if there were such incidents that occurred during his term as the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member, then the erroneous act could only have happened without his knowledge. He added that he is appalled to note that the leaders of the HYC Soyong Circle had even gone to the extent of tarnishing the good name of Father Sngi, who was not only a prominent church elder and leader, but a man who deeply loved his people and who knew the customs and traditions of the people intimately. He has given the HYC Soyong Circle a week's time to prove their claims that he had committed such erroneous act as to allow for the instituting of new Khasi surnames for non-tribals.